This is our Forex blog for October 21st, 2016, and I like to go over our stats first and then show some examples of the trades this week. I've been doing these stats this way for 2 years. Instead of keeping multiple sets of statistics, both live, historical, and at the end of the day after I fix trades and add new ones, I just decide to do just that. Each day I will look at the trades that happen, and I keep stats of every single pattern. There's over 5,000 of them. And those that lost during the day that also have not performed very well in the past, I will put in additional rules to hopefully improve their performance in the future. And obviously those trades do not show up here in these stats. I also will add a few new trade patterns each day as well. Obviously they would not have shown up live. But you can compare over time how many the results and how the system has progressed. You know, it's finding more and more trades each day. Winning percentages are pretty much staying the same, and hopefully you'll find also that the average win to average loss ratio, which is what I focus on, is also improving over time. All right, so here's Friday. We have 428 net pips, 45 trades. Here's the losing trades. They only average 3.6 pips. Most of them are real tiny. The biggest loss is less than 9 pips. And there were a few big trades that the average win 17. So you can see on that day more than 50% winning and about 5 times bigger wins than loss, which is probably one of the record. Here's Thursday, which was not a very good day. 160 pips net, about the same or slightly more losers than wins. 32 losers, 8 pip average loss, only 22 wins. However, the wins were 18 pips. So even though there were more losers this day than wins, the wins were more than 2 times bigger than the loss, and that's, you know, why it made a little bit of money that day. Here's Wednesday, 232 pips. You can see the losers averaged 7 pips. The wins were 14, so 2 times bigger wins, slightly more wins than losses. Here's Tuesday, 147 pips. It's a pretty dead day. The average loss is 5.2 pips, and the average win is 10. You know, a lot of small losers, a couple bigger wins. Here's, I guess that would be Sunday. It appears I forgot to put one of the days on this Excel spreadsheet. I always import them into our database. I'll just go through the 19th in here just to give you an idea. There's a 10 pip win, 10 pip loss, bunch of small losses, 28 pip win. These cancel each other out, 42 pip win, you know, small losses, 22 pip win, 10 pip loss, 35, 36 pip win. I'll just copy and paste the 19th here just to get an idea for how many pips it made. Forgot to put it in the Excel file for some reason. We'll just select all the trades here. You can see 303 pips net. So obviously those big wins made up for the small losses. There's a 42 pip win here, 35, 36, 18, 36. You know, when you have big wins like that and small losses, it tends to be a good day. So let me just go through some of the trades. You can see the euro dollar here, pretty nice 30 pip win, 20 pip win, 30 pip win, nice 15 pip counter trend trade. Counter trend trades are lower odds, and as you can see, this one here failed, this one here failed. So those are 20 pip losses, which we probably recovered on this trade. Then you had a big win there. Here's a huge win, tiny win. Look at the euro yen. And when you're trading with a trend and the markets are moving, you know, that's one of the keys to our system. It oftentimes finds these big wins. Previous day on Thursday, which wasn't a very good day. You can see a losing trade here. Unfortunately, the market's just kind of going sideways. News came out and it took off. Once it's moving, I rarely chase trades, so I don't buy into them, you know, at the highs, because oftentimes they'll come right back down. So we missed this big move here. You can see small loss, you know, pretty much break even, small win, 10 pip loss. Here's the pound yen, 10 pip loss followed or preceded by a 30 or 40 pip win. Small 10, 15 pip win here, 20 or 30 pip win here, 10 or 15 pip win here, 5 pip win here, 10 pip or 15 pip win there. And this was a tough day. You can see 8 pip loss there, 8 pip loss here. The market's just kind of gyrating around. I tend to avoid those type of markets. And so luckily there weren't a lot of losing trades there. However, sometimes some of our patterns get triggered. You have a small loss here, small loss here. Like I said, that was the worst day of the week. Here's the pound. Small win here, 20 pip win there, 10, 15 pip win here. Unfortunately, we got stopped out right before the real big continuation move, and that's going to happen occasionally. But for the most part, we catch a lot of big wins when we get on board these trades. A small win there. Again, Thursday was a very low winning percentage day. See small win here. And the market's just kind of doing nothing. Small loss here, small loss here. A lot of our narrow range breakout patterns lost on Thursday. Here's a small win, small loss, pretty much break even. And we look and try to bring up some other trades that were good on Friday. Here's a nice 40 pip win here, 30 pip win. It looks like the market's kind of going sideways to slightly up. We tried to buy here and lost. You have a 5 pip loss here and about a 5 pip loss there, 10 pip loss. But loss, 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 win, win. You can see the wins are significantly bigger than the losses. And that's really the key behind what I'm doing with these trading patterns. This one, end of the day, pretty much a break even. Small loss, 5 pips, 5 pip loss. 2 trades before, win, break even, huge win. I mean, this is like a 60, 70 pip win to 8 pip loss. One trade like that can get rid of 8 or 9 losing trades. Small win, small loss, small win, loss. Again, Thursday was a tough day. So that's it for this week's Forex blog. Each week I probably make about 100 to 150 improvements in the trading system, and about every 2 to 4 weeks I release a new version, so everyone has all the updates, finds the new patterns. I found a few patterns this week that back tested extremely well, 80-90% winning, and they find a lot of trades. So hopefully those will work next week and the weeks following. And that's my goal, is to try to find trade patterns each week that have very intelligent rules, to find lots of trades, have high win percentages, and hopefully also a high win to loss ratio.